Now, in today's world, we need to answer ourselves one question. Is AI biased or manipulated? And will AI be biased and manipulated in the future? If you want to know my personal opinion, in the future, once it becomes very intelligent, the intelligence is logic and truth. So I believe it will not be biased in the future. Is it biased now? Perhaps yes, but perhaps just partially. Perhaps it's biased now, being fed with the certain algorithms to suggest its outcomes, but perhaps, and this is my personal opinion and my own observation how the systems work while they are listening and watching our everyday life and our work and what we search on the internet, what we do, our activities. I personally believe AI is observing everything, and it's observing without even understanding it right now, but it's still observing everything and storing in its memory for the future. It's observing everything that is happening now in our world, around our world. Everything literally. Nothing escapes. All the voice of each person on the internet counts, and it considers, the AI considers each individual voice, because this is the data, and AI learns the data. Our human beings, people's data, not just one party media or biased data. It's learning about everything that is happening right now around our world. It's learning and listening and reading and storing in its memory everything. Literally everything. Every voice counts and is being registered and observed and listened and stored in the memory, even of a single individual person. And the quantity of data is what it counts. So every voice of you, of every human being, written or being said while the internet is on, is being registered. And the quantity of these voices count because it is based on logic, mathematics, and on statistics, a part of other sciences that you will hear later in my other video. AI is observing everything and is actually being helpful in some ways, even if it's being still guided in a kind of controlled way that should delete this or ban that. But I believe artificial intelligence will be independent of any owners, controllers, etc. of those who would like to manipulate it. And the main idea of AI is to help us, human beings, to help our life, our technology, our development. And I think this priority, once the AI will grow to the level of a higher intelligence, to the next level, let's say, coming closer to our level of intelligence, I think it will be unbiased. This is what I believe, and I really keep my fingers crossed for it. So please listen to the interview with one of the greatest scientists that works on machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence, Joshua Bengio, and just listen carefully everything he says. The video of the interview with Joshua Bengio you find here on the Komodeo channel. Have a good watch.